2004 Ford Econoline Rollx Handicap conversion van. Conversion done by Elk Conversions. It is a Rollx Handicap wheelchair van, which is top of the line, the absolute best when it comes to a wheelchair van. Black on tan, 56,000 original miles, super low miles for an 04. Van's in excellent condition, no rust, shows beautifully, has a lowered floor, easy lock under the driver's seat, brawn folding lift. It has 3 points of access for the lift. You have a remote control, wireless. You have the key that goes into the tail light control. You can operate the lift from here. You can also operate the lift from the driver's side. There is a switch there. Again, this is a lowered floor handicap wheelchair van, Rollx 2004 Ford. Super nice inside and out. Tires are almost brand new. Body shows beautifully. Very small signs of minor wear and tear around the van. There's a tiny scratch here, no big deal. Other than that, there's really not much else that's real major to point out. Just a beautiful van. It has a heavy duty tow package, rear folding bed, bench seat. Just a nice van. It does have power doors. Indirect lighting all over. It's a V8 5.4 liter. We buy and sell a lot of these vans. The Rollx is the top of the line, best van you can buy. This van does have hand controls. Very nice plush seats, super comfortable, carpet's in good shape. Does have the rubberized floor in the back, dual battery system. You got your hand jockey, hand controls. 55,800 miles. It is running right now. Runs excellent. Cold air. CD sound system. Have all of your lighting functions here. I'll give you a tour of the back here in a second. It's a really beautiful van. Very excellent and easy setup to use for anybody who's handicapped, for yourself or somebody else. You have the rubber floor. You do have tie downs here. There's extra tie downs inside here. You can configure it however you would like. So rubberized floor, which is great. Doesn't get all tore up from the wheelchair. You have your easy lock underneath the driver's seat. These seats in the front are quick release seats. You can pop them right out, no problem. You have beautiful indirect lighting throughout. Oh. Beautiful blinds. Everything's in very nice shape, very fresh, very great condition. The lift works great. Give you a demonstration of that. Power doors. Just a beautiful, beautiful van. Very low miles, clean Carfax. Super nice Rollx van. I'm going to demonstrate the wheelchair lift for you here in a second. Show you how this works. Works seamlessly. I'm using this point just to show you a little something different. Again, you have 3 access points for that. You have the wireless remote. Power doors. Seamless operation all the way. You're in, you're done, easy. Beautiful van. Give us a call, 954-561-2499 if you have any questions. We are happy to help anytime. 954-561-2499, or you can text me at 954-770-5070. Ask for Jeff or Ken. We are happy to help at any time. Thank you very much.